Miranda warning. Cyril Junjego, you are under arrest for attempted murder. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. Do you understand the rights I have read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me? Miranda warning. Cyril Junjego, ikaw ay naresto sa salang pagpatay. Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik o magsawalang kibo. Ano man ang iyong sasabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa anumang hukuman. Ikaw ay mayroon ding karapatan kumuha ng tagapagtanggol na iyong pinili. At kung wala kang kakayahan, ito ay pagkakaloob sa iyo ng pamahalaan. Naunawaan mo ba ito? Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a reign of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and promulgate this Constitution.